rising every day. If you just watched my latest video, you'll see that I harvested radishes along with fresh dill, and today we're making a potato radish dill salad. All these foods are in season right now, which makes it even more nutritious. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so what I'm doing next, I'm just peeling these potatoes. I have about 12 potatoes, and I'm going to cut them, and then we're going to boil them for about 20 minutes. And then I'll let them cool off, and then we'll continue making the rest of the recipe. I'm also going to be adding in 4 eggs in the recipe. While I'm cooking, I'm just snacking on some blueberries and these delicious strawberries. Nothing like fresh berries. Then what we have is I have about 7 radishes, thinly sliced. I have some fresh dill. I got quite a bit there. And I got some chives from the garden as well that I'm going to be throwing in the dish. I'm letting the eggs and the potatoes cool off before I cut those up as well. Now what I'm working on is the vinaigrette for this recipe. So there's no mayo, and what I'm using instead is I have about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Let's put that in there. We're going to be adding in Dijon mustard, so I'm going to be adding in about 3 tablespoons. And if you know me, you know that I just kind of eyeball it like that. And we're also going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. So this is going to be like a really nice Dijon vinaigrette. That's about right. And so once everything's cooled off, we're going to mix all this together. I have the potatoes sliced and diced. I let them cool off a little bit before cutting them up. And there's the vinaigrette that we have. I also have the eggs sliced and diced. And we're just going to add everything to the bowl, mix it up. I have some salt and pepper and lemon on the side in case we want to add some of that in there. Hey you guys, here is the beautiful radish dill potato salad, healthy version, and you can serve it just at room temperature, warm, or you can put it in the fridge and let all the flavors, marinate a little bit. I did add more salt and pepper and a little bit of lemon juice, and it's really nice. It tastes really refreshing and healthy. Let me know in the comment section if you guys try this recipe. I hope you enjoy. And as always, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh foods, be getting in some nature and some fresh air. When you do that, well, be rising.